Hello again. So this is the second video of binomial probability distribution. In this video, we are going to explore what is binomial probability distribution function, but this time we are looking at binomial cumulative distribution function, also known as BCDF. Now, for this, we have got a problem. A machine produces defective items with a probability of 0.1. A batch of 15 items is inspected. Find the probability that fewer than 3 items are defective. Now, this is a binomial distribution because we have got fixed number of trials, which is 15, and the probability of success is 0.1. We are asked to calculate the probability that there are fewer than 3 items that are defective, which means that we have to find probability of x equal to 0, finding 0 defective item, finding exactly 1 defective item, plus finding exactly 2 defective item, and we add them up. This is also equivalent to px less than or equal to 2. Now, how we can do it on the calculator? There are two ways. I can find the individual probability of px equal to 0, px is equal to 1, px is equal to 2 using BPDF function that I have showed you in the last video, and then I add them up. Or I can use the BCDF function. In order to use the BCDF function, we will go to statistics, click on F5, that is for distribution, then again press F5, which is for binomial. Now here you have three options. F1 is for BPD, that we have used in the last question. This is BCD. This is what we would like to use first. So we'll press F2. Here we have to select our data as variable. Now, what is my lower bound? My lower bound in this case is 0. What's my upper bound? My upper bound in this case is 2. The number of trials that we have got is 15, and the probability of success in this case, in this particular problem that we have got, is 0.1. Then I will execute, and that's my probability. My probability of getting less than 3 defective items is probability 0. So my probability is, so px less than 3 is equal to 0.81593, and up to 3 significant figures it is 0.816. So that's my answer.